Hello, hi, my name is Jose, and this is my trip planner page for WDD231 course. I'll show you my API integration, asynchronous code with try catch, and how the output is displayed. And do apologize if you see me change my face between here and here. I have two screens, one showing the code and the current page, and the other the recording I'm just having. So to start, I will show you the asynchronous function load destinations. With this here, I use fetch inside an asynchronous function with a try catch to load destination from a JSON file. The JSON file already has all the information like cards or data per sections that we're going to be using. Each of these cards has their own data, which later I'll be explaining, as well with the try and catch. If there's an error, it displays an error message in the selected dropdown. On the current page, I'll show you here. This is the first function, or asynchronous function. This will load the information that we already have on the JSON file. When the page loads, the dropdown is filled with destination from JSON data. That's what the asynchronous function does. Jumping to the on destination change asynchronous function. This function, when I select the destination here, this function updates the detail section with name, description, image, and some other info. As you can see, but here I select one of them, it will auto-populate below. It will the image, some description, some more information that we already have on the JSON file. That's how the output of these two asynchronous function are working. So now we can jump to the show weather asynchronous function. This will show the API integration. The fetch on this asynchronous function called the open weather's current and 5-day forecast API with the try and catch error handling. This function calls the Open Weather API asynchronously to get both the current and the forecast weather for the selected destination. We already selected one of the destinations, and if you scroll down, you will see the already weather for for that destination selected. If we change it, it will change the information, it will populate a new weather. Those weather are being extracted from the API. On the current JSON, we have, well, I have the latitude and longitude on these for each location. On that case, we'll extract and populate the current or exact weather from those places so we can be more aware of these locations and their current weather. So that's the populate or the usage for the API. So if we scroll down, we will get the asynchronous function save trip. This second fetch call, it's working. When I save a trip, I make another API call for the current weather. Then I'll store everything in local storage, so it persists between sessions. I will select the dates because if I only click here, it will prompt me to select both dates. So we can select some dates here and save trip. Then we're going to be save the information, the date selected, the trip or destination selected, and the weather at that time. This, because we already saved the information in local storage, it will persist between sessions. So if I reload, everything here will erase, but this will keep. So that's the only last thing that I wanted to show is that this part, that because trips can also be cleared with this clear up trips, but clear, it will clear. So this project demonstrates asynchronous API calls with try, catch, dynamic DOM updates, and persistent storage with local storage. So I think that's all, and thank you for watching.